Jasmy most certainly acquired roughly 4.08% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. The EMA sort of is presently at $0 a really significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin explicitly is floating at $87,003,429, which sort of is very critical. Jasmy essentially has its next obstruction at $0. The 29th of May 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly sort of sought clarification on pressing issues. What really is somewhat transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, in every practical sense, is Jasmy an excellent interest in a by and large significant manner. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels, and so on. So the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time commonly got clarification on some pressing issues. What in a real sense is truly momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin. Truly is Jasmy a sort of wise interest in a truly significant manner. However, prior to plunging especially profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, generally let us especially discuss the really current economic situation, which by and that's what large shows Jasmy for the most part has its essentially next opposition at $0 in unpretentious manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1.50,973,041,636, which generally is very critical. The truly all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $33,1,951,281 fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%. Exhibiting how the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually truly got clarification on some pressing issues. What explicitly is certainly momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin. Basically is Jasmy a sort of wise speculation, which basically is very critical, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value reduction of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, or so they basically thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90. Following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span in a sort of significant manner. XRP, the very local coin of XRP especially, is up by 0.98 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents in an exceptionally large manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels, and so on. So the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for the following week, and sincerely attempt to answer these regularly most certainly clarified pressing issues. What basically is momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin. Fundamentally is Jasmy and in every way that really matters, wise interest in an unpretentious way. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a sort of descending bearing for commonly present moment, sort of additional appearance how the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and generally attempt to answer these habitually generally clarified some pressing issues. What for the most part is in every practical sense transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, especially is Jasmy a very wise interest in a kind of huge manner. Right now, and essentially broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that the EMA generally is at present at $0, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction essentially are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, fundamentally is up by 0.98. And at present exchanging at 49 cents, which explicitly is very huge. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers for the most part become genuinely more extremely dynamic, and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any commonly further and in every way that really matters, large way. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which merchants really become move especially dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin basically is drifting at $87,003,429 in an unpretentious manner. Following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. The truly current Jasmy coin cost explicitly is $0, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the beyond 24 hours. Kind of additional appearance. How similarly, obstruction essentially is a level at which dealers for the most part become move essentially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin cost from moving higher, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin truly is drifting at $87,003,429, which really is very critical. Presently, JASMY generally is up by 4.08% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 USD. So market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours. There fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,150,973,041,636, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin value examination. JASMY cost examination for the 29th of May 2023 inside a genuinely everyday time period generally made sense of underneath, showing that the EMA especially is presently at $0 a by and large enormous manner. We utilize sort of relative strength index, moving truly normal combination and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving sort of normal and dramatic moving really normal to sort of break down the future development of the Jasmy coin in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin truly is floating at $87,003,429, which generally is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin financial backers need to in every practical sense hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day graph, showing how support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers truly become genuinely more certainly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin cost from falling any genuinely further in an unobtrusive manner. The genuinely relative strength record for JASMY coin explicitly is presently drifting at 19 for 14 days sort of normal line, which truly implies JASMY basically is an oversold zone and a pattern reasonably inversion truly is conceivable, which generally is genuinely huge. While JASMY's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. Exchange genuinely signal for the most part is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, showing how furthermore Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on. So the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now.